hold these two down at the same time. And you have your code. Code should be 1111. The bottom one is to change the number. The top one is to move to the next digit. And then hold the top one to get in. So setting number 9 is your electronic brakes. Turn it to 0. 8 is your speed. If you want to select it, hold this one down, bottom one, and then click to go up, click this one to go down. So select it again to get out of it. 7 is your acceleration, 0 is slow acceleration, 1 is full acceleration, 6 is cruise control, 1 is on, 5 is your takeoff, your trigger mode. So if you want to take off straight away, you put it in 0. If you want to push start it, put it in 1. I'll put it in 0. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Not very necessary. On the 48 volts, your cutoff voltage can be 39 volts. On the 60 volts, it will be 48, but you want to bring it down to about 45. Yeah, that's it.